YMCMB. You know something, we ain't never really had no old problems. We got a whole lot of new problems though.
If your teacher don't show you, we gon' teach you.
Add up, subtract down. It's pretty easy, that's what I found. Polynomials with the math now. Several terms, that's what they about. Like terms and exponents. Don't forget coefficients. You gotta be really with this in order to understand it. Adding and subtracting. Combine like terms, that's what happening. X and Y is poppin. With them polys, there's no stopping. Adding and subtracting. Combine like terms, that's what happening. From X and Y is poppin. With them polys, there's no stopping.
It's free. Woo, 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 woo. While adding the polys, combining like terms, that's what you gotta do. The problem is right here for you. It's 3i plus 4x plus 2. F5 plus 3x minus 2. Now here's what you gotta do. Place like terms together, you know, to determine whether the terms are like whenever the x, y is meant forever. Next step is simple. You just gotta add a little. Add 3i, add 5i, add 4x, and 3x, add 2, and negative 2. The answer is nothing complex. It's 8y plus 7y, yes. You can also put them in columns. It's just another way to solve them. You can use it especially when you got a lot of polys. Line them up, then you add. It's as easy as you can add 2x, 3x, and by itself 3y, 5y. Don't forget that plus 5. Now it's easy as pie. Adding first time, the answer is 5x plus 6y minus 2y plus 5. Now you know you got it right.
Add up, subtract down. It's pretty easy, that's what I found. Polynomials with the math now. Several terms, that's what they about. Like terms and exponents. Don't forget coefficients. You gotta be really with this in order to understand it. Adding and subtracting. Combine like terms, that's what's happening. Them X and Y is popping. With them polys, there's no stopping. Adding and subtracting. Combine like terms, that's what's happening. Them X and Y is popping. With them polys, there's no stopping.
I describe polys how versus signs versus how change negatives to positive and same with others. Make positives negatives, the atom smooth as butter. Don't work too fast, you might mess up. Teacher gon' get fed up. I'm always hanging with the students, trying to find the conclusion. The problem is 4y minus 8x minus 2y minus 6x. Don't forget to reverse. On the second poly, of course, changing it to 2y plus 6x. Now it's time to work these polys. It's 4y minus 2y and negative 8x plus 6x. After working around, you'll find that now the answer is nothing to worry about. It's simple. Now 2y minus 2x. I told y'all switch it up. Now and all the top up. It's simple. It's easy. Just try it. Show out for your teachers and get your grade up higher. Yeah, that way. Yeah, that way. Write on the board like an essay. Yeah, that way. We used to fail, now we get A's. Yeah, that way. We can't be broke, we gon' get paid. Yeah, that way. You ain't gotta fail, you gon' pass A's.
Add up, subtract down. It's pretty easy, that's what I found. Polynomials with the math now. Several terms what they about. Like terms and exponents. Don't forget coefficients. You gotta be really with this in order to understand it. Adding and subtracting. Combine like terms, that's what's happening. Them X and Y is popping. Them polys, there's no stopping. Adding and subtracting. Combine like terms, that's what's happening. Them X and Y is popping. Them polys.